Hello folks, this is Fred Levi, your instructor for the course, and in this video we're going to talk about how to request verification of a judgment from the credit bureaus. Now, there have been many cases of complaints and lawsuits regarding judgments reported on credit reports. Lots of times what is reporting is actually only a filing of a suit, not an actual judgment. If the courts decide that there is not sufficient evidence or lack of cause of action, they will decide not to adjudicate the judgment. The report of a filed claim is not a completed and recorded final judgment. If it is disputed and the case number is found as closed or unavailable, then there is no judgment. So let's get into the letter. So what you're going to do is you're going to address the letter to the credit bureau, have your date, and then basically it's going to be, Dear Credit Bureau, when I received a copy of my credit report, I noticed a judgment against me that I'm not aware of. I tried to look it up online and I did not find any such judgment with the record number that you're reporting from the court listed. If you are able to verify this judgment, please send me whomever provided you with this information and the manner in which it was provided. Thank you for your immediate attention to this matter. Yours truly, client's name and address. Also put their social security number and date of birth since it is going to the credit bureaus.